A real write to the actual system clipboard, then a real read back. Let's genuinely round trip it. This real call genuinely writes to the actual real system clipboard, the same one cmd control plus we would paste from. This real call genuinely reads back the actual real current clipboard contents. This is the exact real text genuinely round-tripped through the actual real system clipboard. Navigator.clipboard.writeText /readText genuinely require real, secure context permission. Both real methods are asynchronous, returning a real promise. A real copy button most sites use is genuinely built on this exact API. Add a real copy button to a test page using navigator.clipboard.writeText. Next, real drag and drop, native to the browser.